Emporté par la foule. Emporté par la foule.
We know thee.
Emporté par la foule. Emporté par la foule.
Now for a break.
Emporté par la foule.
You hear that? That's the awkward silence of a family dinner after you just got caught vaping. Most vapes contain high levels of nicotine and disappointment. Brought to you by The Real Cost and the FDA.
The following message is brought to you by Show Me Zero. Missouri now has a hands-free law to keep our roadways safe. This means a driver cannot hold their phone to make a call, cannot watch, record, or send a video, and cannot type, read, or send a text. Drivers can use hands-free features and Bluetooth. It's time to make Missouri's roads safer for everyone. After all, simple actions save lives. Visit SaveMoLives.com to learn more about Missouri's hands-free law.
Welcome to Kokomo, Indiana, a city where opportunities abound and life's as spirited as our people. Dive into a booming job market full of